Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can install Adobe Premiere Pro 2026 on Windows 11 computer. So here we will click on the setup file. Make sure you go to the drive that has your Premiere Pro and double click on the setup file. Then click on yes. Okay, here we select the language and location and click on continued. Now on this window here, you can see the progress of the installation at the top here. Wait until this is finished. Okay, so once it's finished, you can click on the launch button. Here we'll launch Adobe Premiere. You will now notice Adobe Premiere will load up. And from here, if you want to start a new project, you can just simply go ahead and click on File and click on New Project. If you have an existing project, you can open it. And that's it. So here I can click on Untitled, which is the existing project that I have. Doesn't have a proper name, so you can just click on it to reopen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.